Step into a small bedroom retreat that whispers timeless elegance at every turn. Picture this, a plush upholstered headboard, serving as the anchor against a backdrop of soothing neutral tones and delicate metallic accents, setting the stage for tranquility and sophistication. But here's the magic: floating shelves and wall-mounted sconces, cleverly maximizing floor space while adding a touch of understated luxury. It's a sanctuary where simplicity meets refinement, inviting you to unwind and recharge in style. So, sink into your plush haven, let the subtle hues soothe your soul, and revel in the understated beauty of your intimate oasis. Step into a modern small bedroom retreat where sleek lines and minimalist charm reign supreme. Here's the scene: a platform bed, boasting integrated storage drawers for savvy organization, takes center stage alongside a custom-designed built-in wardrobe, ensuring every inch of space is maximized for your convenience. Soft, diffused lighting dances through the room, casting a gentle glow that enhances the airy ambience. And let's not forget those sheer curtains, adding a touch of ethereal elegance to the space. But here's where the magic happens: pops of color burst forth from accent pillows and artwork, injecting personality and vibrancy into the serene setting. It's a contemporary sanctuary where style meets functionality, creating the perfect haven for rest and rejuvenation. Step into a chic small bedroom retreat inspired by the simplicity of Scandinavian design, where understated elegance meets cozy charm. Picture this, a neutral color palette soothing the senses, while natural wood accents infuse warmth and character into the space. But here's the genius touch: a wall-mounted desk and floating shelves, seamlessly blending functionality with style, ensuring every inch of the limited space is utilized to its fullest potential. It's a harmonious balance of form and function, creating a serene sanctuary where clutter is banished and relaxation reigns supreme. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and let your small bedroom exude effortless sophistication in every detail. Step into a luxurious small bedroom retreat where opulence reigns supreme and every detail whispers elegance. Picture this, sumptuous textures and rich jewel tones enveloping the space, creating an atmosphere of unparalleled indulgence. At the heart of it all lies a velvet upholstered headboard, beckoning you to sink into its plush embrace, while layers of decadent bedding, faux fur throws and silk accent pillows invite you to luxuriate in comfort. Mirrored surfaces and crystal accents dance in the light, adding a dash of glamour to the opulent setting. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, a tufted bench at the foot of the bed, exuding sophistication and inviting you to linger a little longer in this lavish sanctuary. Step into a sophisticated small bedroom retreat where simplicity meets elegance in perfect harmony. Picture this, a monochromatic color scheme enveloping the space, creating a serene and cohesive atmosphere. At the center of it all sits a platform bed, boasting a tufted headboard for a touch of luxury, flanked by sleek built-in nightstands that exude modern charm. Custom cabinetry and shelving line the walls, cleverly maximizing storage without overwhelming the room. And nestled by the window, a cozy reading nook beckons, offering a tranquil spot to unwind and escape into your favorite book. It's a sanctuary of style and serenity, where every detail is carefully curated for maximum comfort and sophistication. Step into a glamorous small bedroom retreat where the opulence of the Art Deco era meets contemporary elegance. Picture this, a velvet upholstered bed stealing the spotlight, its geometric headboard exuding sophistication and style. Flanking the bed are mirrored nightstands, reflecting the glimmering allure of the room and adding a touch of old Hollywood glamour. Luxurious finishes like brushed gold accents and faux fur throws elevate the space to new heights of luxury, creating a sumptuous retreat fit for royalty. It's a sanctuary where every detail whispers of extravagance and indulgence, inviting you to unwind and bask in the lap of luxury. Step into a tranquil small bedroom retreat, where the gentle whispers of the coast beckon you to unwind and relax. Imagine soft hues of blue and white enveloping the space, reminiscent of the serene ocean waves, while natural textures like rattan and jute add warmth and authenticity to the decor. But here's the piece de resistance, a built-in window seat, offering a cozy spot for quiet contemplation or losing yourself in a good book, with panoramic views of the outside world. And nestled in the corner, a canopy bed draped in sheer fabric adds a touch of romance and whimsy to the serene setting. It's a sanctuary of serenity and seaside charm, where every moment feels like a blissful escape to your own private coastal paradise. Step into a contemporary small bedroom oasis, where less is more and simplicity reigns supreme. Picture this, a platform bed with a sleek, streamlined design stealing the spotlight against a backdrop of crisp white walls and rich, dark wood flooring. It's a study in contrast that exudes modern sophistication. But here's where the magic happens, floor-to-ceiling windows flooding the space with natural light, casting a warm and inviting glow that beckons you to unwind and recharge. It's a serene sanctuary where clutter is banished, and tranquility takes center stage. Embrace the beauty of minimalism and let your small bedroom become a haven of calm amidst the chaos of everyday life. Step into an elegant small bedroom retreat, infused with the timeless allure of Parisian charm. Envision a wrought iron bed frame, gracefully adorned with delicate linens and draped in sheer curtains, evoking an air of romance and sophistication. Vintage-inspired furnishings and ornate accents add layers of charm and character to the space, transporting you to a bygone era of elegance. And by the window, a bistro-style dining set beckons, offering a cozy spot to savor morning coffee and croissants, while soaking in the ambience of the cityscape outside. It's a sanctuary of style and refinement, where every detail whispers of Parisian allure and timeless beauty. Step into a world of cozy elegance with this small bedroom adorned in soft pastel hues and delicate floral wallpaper. The space exudes a gentle tranquility, inviting you to unwind and relax. But here's the clever twist, a space-saving Murphy bed, complete with built-in storage solutions, seamlessly blends into the room, ensuring both comfort and practicality. Adding to the charm is a vintage-inspired vanity table, cleverly doubling as a bedside nightstand, where you can indulge in a touch of old-world glamour before drifting off to sleep. It's a harmonious blend of functionality and sophistication, creating an intimate retreat you'll never want to leave.